Hey guys, what's up? Today we are gonna tell you of how to make a minion decoration lamp, and the objects required to make this minion decoration lamp are a chart paper, a thin yellow paper sheet, a bulb fitted in a thermopole sheet, CD cover, scale, cutter, scissor and a UHU glue. So guys, first of all, take the CD cover and cut it with the help of a scale from all the four sides and repeat this action on the CD cover as well. Then apply the UHU glue on the two sides of each CD cover and attach them together. Then adjust this frame on the bulb and apply UHU glue on the outer side of the CD cover on all sides. Then attach this thin yellow paper sheet around the CD cover on all sides and also from the top as well. Now take the other chart paper for decoration. Apply the UHU glue on this chart paper and stick it around the CD cover. Similarly, take strips of brown chart paper and stick it on all the corners of this lamp. Now you can cartoonify your lamp by making any character face. Using different colored chart paper, and here you go guys, your minion lamp is ready to go.